Topic: The importance of self-confidence. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly powerful and inspirational topic: the importance of self-confidence. Self-confidence is the belief in one's own abilities, decisions, and potential. It is one of the most essential qualities required for success in life. A confident person can face challenges, express ideas freely, and continue moving forward, even after failure. Without confidence, talent and knowledge often remain hidden. In today's competitive world, self-confidence plays a crucial role in personal and professional growth. Whether it is public speaking, attending interviews, participating in competitions, or leading a team, confidence helps individuals perform effectively. A person with confidence appears more capable, and influential in society. One of the greatest benefits of self-confidence is that it removes fear and hesitation. Many people fail, not because they lack ability, but because they doubt themselves. Fear of failure and criticism often prevents individuals from taking opportunities. Self-confidence gives people the courage to step outside their comfort zones and achieve the goals. Moreover, confidence improves communication skills. People who believe in themselves can express their thoughts more clearly and effectively. This creates a more professional, and impactful personality. Good communication also helps in building relationships and leadership qualities. Self-confidence is also closely connected to mental strength. Life is full of obstacles, failures, and disappointments. A confident person does not lose hope easily, but remains determined and optimistic. This creates a highly resilient mindset that helps individuals overcome difficulties. However, Self-confidence should not be confused with arrogance. Confidence means believing in oneself while respecting others. Arrogance, on the other hand, creates ego and disrespect. Therefore, true confidence should always remain balanced with humility and discipline. Another important factor is that self-confidence develops through experience and preparation. People become confident when they continuously learn, practice, and improve themselves. Success increases confidence, but even failures can strengthen confidence if individuals learn from their mistakes. Unfortunately, many young people today struggle with low confidence due to social pressure and comparison. Social media often creates unrealistic standards of success and beauty, making individuals feel insecure.